Hello my dear children, how are you all doing? Enjoying your weekend with your parents? I'm very sure you all are enjoying, but do not forget to revise what all we learned during the week, right? And we are going to meet again on Marvelous Monday. So on Marvelous Monday, my dear children, as we have all got habitual of wishing everybody good morning first, then we say thank you to God, and then we do some exercise and also practice some simple commands. And then we also would be introducing you to the concepts that are taken up in your EduMax class at 11 o'clock. Right? So on Monday, my foundation children are going to get introduced to the concept of day and night. And my Shempred junior children are going to get introduced to the letter H, its sound, and also the words that begin with the letter H. And my Shempred senior children are going to revise their concept of one and many. Yes, it's always good to revise whatever we are being introduced to. So my Shempred senior children are going to practice one and many. And as you all know, my dear parents, these classes, they are the interactive live classes. And if you wish your child to join the EduMax class, then do register by clicking on the link or calling us up the numbers that we have shared in the chat box. And yes, my dear parents, we also have a lovely program for our dear children in the evenings at 4 o'clock, that is the EduMax Plus. And if you want your children to be enhancing all their hidden skills, so do make them join this by registering and calling up us on the numbers that we have shared. This EduMax Plus is a program which makes them create, use their imagination, create many new things. They are also becoming, graceful dancers, because we make them practice, dancing on various numbers or different styles of dancing also. And we also have talk show for them in which they are also learning the basic grammar concepts. They are learning the phonic sounds. They are also learning how to make new words and new sentences. And we also have various life skills for them. So life skills is training them to be more independent. They have started doing their work on their own. They are becoming more organized now. They know how to manage their time also. So if you wish your child to be doing all this, and with that he grows and really becomes very confident, so do make them join the EduMax Plus program also. Right? And if you want all these learning resources, and if you want any other information, we can also send you that totally free of cost if you join our Telegram group. So Telegram group, how you can join that also has been shared in the chat box. So do join that group and receive all the activities, all the learning resources totally free of cost. So that's all for now. Bye-bye. Take care. Love you all.
Okay, Ayush, how many sticks? Okay, yes. Okay, Ayush, how many sticks are these? Say with your mouth.
9.
Good. Tell me the spelling of 9.
N-I-N-E.
Wonderful. I says ice cream, and the short sound of the letter I is I. I. And what starts with I? Ink, igloo, India.
ये देखो क्या है पॉन्ड के अंदर. What is this? What is this?
आपको फिशी
ये आती है ना? ये नहीं तो राइम आती. ये किसको आती है? ज्ञान.
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हर दुखी दर्दी है, हर जो मर्जी है.
Oh, lovely, excellent.
Any old magazine, any old newspaper, any old colored paper, you can tear it into small pieces. I have pasted the black on her hair. I have also made her dress so pretty. In the same way, even you can do it. You put the black on the hair, and the hair is on the head. You know, by this I remember there is a very nice story about, yes, very nice, Anya, Akshansh, lovely. In the same way you can also do the face and the hair. Very good, Devanshi. Very
Actually enjoying, having lots of fun, and these are, you know, interactive sessions which she's liking. Totally fun filled, so she's liking it. So I'm also happy that she's growing in the right direction.
She's very engaged in the dancing activity and the creativity.
During this hour, it is very useful to us also. We used to spend most of the time by doing activities like that. She's enjoying a lot.
Did your children enjoy that? My name is Amol Arora. I'm the Managing Director of Shamrock and Shamford Group of Schools. We've got many more such activities in our EduMax learning program. We've created an amazing learning program because we realize children are at home, they cannot come to school, and schools have the expertise to educate children. To overcome this, we've come up with an amazing program which requires minimum eye strain, which has virtually no eye strain. Children just look for communication, they do the activities. It's a full day program. There's so much for children to do, and what the best thing I can tell you is get a free trial version. Just call the number below and get a free trial version and see for yourself how amazing it is. I'm sure you'll love it, but for the first step, take a free trial, and we are confident that your child would love EduMax as much as we have loved designing it. Good luck.